Hi, this is Sonia with RC Solutions, and welcome to day 66 of hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project, and it's 10 minutes per day where you just take 10 minutes of your time to see what you can create. So on the last session, we made a little bit of progress on the layout. And off camera, I went on ahead and I stitched like this right here. I had to kind of hold it like this and send it through the sewing machine in order to get that part on there. And then I stitched this part as well. So now we're just going to try to complete the layout. So let me go ahead and set my timer. All right, so I do want to, I did also go ahead and I distressed this right here. I'm probably going to decorate this on this page, perhaps. Maybe I'll put this out through here or something. I don't know yet. But what I do know for sure is that I want to, okay, we've got that. I want to go ahead and decorate this. I have an idea where I want to put some of this stuff. I think I'm going to put that there, maybe some words and things like that. So let's just go ahead and glue these down since I already have an idea of where it's going to go. Even though this is a coffee themed journal, you can have coffee when you travel. Because I love the travel theme, coffee theme, Paris, French, Parisian theme. I love those. I don't know why. That's just, I love it, love it, love it. All right, so I'm going to put this gentleman right here. Oh, well, it's okay. I didn't mean to cover up that little cityscape stamp, but it's okay. And then I'm just going to glue this hand, this pointing hand. Wonder, should I have it over here or up here? Or I'm just going to put it right here. Yeah, I think it'll be okay right there. And then I do want to have, like I said, a clipboard. And let's see. I'm gonna move that. And I also want to put this over here. So if this is going to come here, then this is going to need to go maybe coming out here. Or maybe it can flip out. I might do that. I think I'll have this kind of flip down. This will flip open. And then I'll have something kind of going over that right there. Yeah. Yeah. Let me, since I do know for sure that I do want this to come out from here. Maybe like that. Or should I have it coming down here? No, we'll have it coming, or just, I might just have it coming out from here like that. I think that's what I'll do. And then this I'll probably have coming here. But I need to fix this. I misspelled this. Late instead of latte. I'm just going to take a gel pen and I'm just going to add another letter T. Let's see. In black. Since it is kind of whimsical, but I'll make this T like a regular shaped T. The font will be a little bit different. So, I don't know. That's supposed to be latte. I don't know if you can still see it. That's supposed to be latte. So, yeah. All right. We're going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on here. And put this like so. And I'm going to create like a clipboard. So I need a backdrop, because this is going to go here for sure. And then I'm going to have some papers, just some small clipboard of papers. What I'll probably do is let me just fold this like so. Just making sure that it's smaller than that. And fold this like so. And then fold this over again. And then fold this over again. So we've kind of got like a zine. And then I'm just going to fold this like this. And it can come open like so. And then we have journal writing space. So I think I'm just going to kind of distress it just a little bit. Not all the way through like I usually do, but it'll be okay. Just going to kind of distress the outer parts of it. And, well, it's not going to look right if I don't do it all the way. So I can't halfway do it because it's just not going to do right. It's not going to look right halfway. So I might as well do it right. If I could at least get the creases, I think it'll look okay. Even if I don't get, well, I probably will just go ahead and get the rest of it too. I was going to say, even if I don't get like this long edge, I wouldn't have to distress it, but it's just not going to look right. Not distressed. So let's go ahead and do that. And I need to create like a background for this clipboard. So also let me go ahead and, since this is going to open up from the inside, might as well go ahead and get a little bit of distressing right there. I wish I would have thought of this earlier, but it's okay. Then I could have distressed it. Oh, I'm spending all my time distressing this. Well, basically, I know it's going to take another day to complete what I'm trying to do. I was really wanting to get this done. Let's see. But I can't. I have to have it distressed. Because to me, it's just not going to look right. But, I mean, it would look okay. But for me, personally, I like to have all of my papers distressed around the edges. So I've got like 3 minutes left. All right. So this is going to be my zine, and it's going to open up from here, you know, like that. And I do, you know what? I think I'm going to glue this onto the top. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. Okay, let's go ahead and glue this on to the top of this right here. And then we're going to glue this onto the page. And maybe we can add like a little piece of washi. I need something to kind of keep this down. But, oh yeah. this right here could kind of, if I need to, I can just open it up. Yeah, this, yeah. So this is going to kind of pocket it on there. Like, you'll have this little bottom piece right here. And this is going to tuck into here. So when I'm ready to open it, I can still do that. All right. Well, that's not so bad. At least we got this done. So, and I might stitch that little piece right there off camera. Well, at least we got that right there done. And I guess, yeah, like I said, we will complete the rest of it tomorrow. All right, so this was day 36. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And when I complete this, I will take a picture when the whole layout is done. But I like to just show the completed version instead of, I mean, work in progress sometimes is not bad, but I just, as far as Instagram and Scrapy8, I'll just show the completed version. And then if you want to see how I did that in each step, then, you know, you just watch the different sessions. All right. So thank you so much for watching and happy crafting.